What's going on YouTube? This is Jabber Tech, and this is the Fenix 5X Plus. If you look at it, it's a really nice device, but the problem with these Fenix devices, let me know down in the comments below, is that the bezel gets scratched up really easily because you are using this in beast mode, and sometimes you're just not all that cautious about it, and there are tons of reports online of people just scratching up their bezel, and it just looks horrible, especially when you spend a lot of money. I know, at least for me, I like to keep my devices looking pristine and clean. I purchased this bumper bully at only a few dollars. It will save your device from getting scratched up, but if you look at it, it's really taken away from the beauty of the watch. So not only does this bumper bully cheapen the watch and make it look like it's something that came from the 99-cent store, it also kind of bulks it up and makes it look a little bit more beefy than it already was. And these Fenix devices are not small and slim to begin with, but at a few dollars, this is a great option, and it keeps your device looking clean, looking fresh, pretty much all the time. This option from Galushi is not cheap. It's about 25 bucks, and it's available for the Fenix 5, 5X, 5X Plus. Just check my link down below, but it's going to save your bezel from getting scratched. It's also going to give you a whole new look and make your watch look like it's something new with different colors, different styles. It's something that will kind of help you change up the look of your watch. It is stainless steel, so it's a really nice, well-built bezel kit. At 25 bucks, this is what you get. You get the nice stainless steel kit, which is really pretty sturdy. It's not bending, even though I'm trying. And what I like about Galushi, what I'm giving them props for, is you actually get two more double-sided strips of tape here. So if this does fall off, if it does come loose, whatever the case is, after a race, marathon, triathlon, whatever the case is, if it falls off, you can adhere it again. So thumbs up to them. It is not just a one-time use. So let's go ahead and install it on the Fenix Plus and see what it looks like after the install. Make sure the first thing that you do is clean off your device. You don't want any dust on here. You want it to be as clean as possible. So what I would recommend you guys do is just line up these two screws with the cutouts, with the holes on the actual bezel kit. And this way you'll get a nice fit the first time. Let's pull this double-sided tape right off, just like this. And then kind of line it up, and press down firmly. Thankfully, again, those two screws with the cutout with the hole actually help you align this pretty nicely. Wow, just take a look at this. My Fenix 5X Plus just got a new lease on life. This looks absolutely perfect. I think this color scheme goes really nice with my device, and if you take a look, it doesn't add all that much bulk to your watch. It just adds a tiny little bit, but you're getting more reassurance, more peace of mind that you're not going to scratch up that bezel. Or if your bezel is already scratched, this is going to kind of give you that new watch feel once again and save yourself $1,000 from buying the Fenix 6X Plus. That's just my opinion, 25 or 1,000. You guys do the math and let me know down in the comments below. But the cutouts are obviously all perfect. If you take a look on the side here, absolutely perfect. No problems with this whatsoever. And now if you look at it, whether you have the Sapphire Edition or you don't, your screen itself is getting a nice amount of protection here too from bumps. Just because of this raised bezel, it's really going to protect it a little bit better than if you didn't have it. Again, if you have the Sapphire, you're not really too worried about that. But I still know a lot of people put screen guards on Sapphire Edition watches. So if you're that type of person, you can get rid of that screen guard, buy yourself a bezel kit, get some new styling, and protect the screen as well. So while the bumper bully served me well, it did its purpose, it did its job, it made my watch look absolutely horrific, bulked it up, made it look ugly, made me look like a nerd. I'm throwing that out. I now have a beautiful looking watch thanks to this bezel kit. The etched numbers, these extra large numbers around the bezel really make this watch look like a diver's watch, and I think this looks absolutely beast. And you don't have to spend $1,000 to get that new watch feel. Just get a $25 bezel kit. They are a little bit cheaper for other editions. Check my link down below. But this is something I can highly recommend. And especially with these extra adhesive strips, if it does fall off because you're swimming too much, you can just put it right back on. Save your bezel. If your bezel's scratched already, this is going to make your watch feel new. Save yourself $1,000. Pick up one of these and you'll be good to go. I always appreciate you guys watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.